Hello everyone, Domchik1 is here, and today I will show you how to download Unity. First step is type Unity on Google and click on download here. So here we click on this box and download Unity Hub. Save the file and open it. I already downloaded, and here we see download have setup, agree to the terms, choose destination folder and install. Then we have Unity Hub. Here we can see our project, and you should go to the install tab and add your Unity. Here we select a Unity version. I recommend to select Unity 2020, the last version. Maybe it will be a different version, but you should choose the latest 2020, that recommended release. Also, you can download 2021 if you want to see new features, or previous Unity versions if you need for your previous projects. For example, I have Unity 2019 for my previous projects. So then we go to the projects and click a new button. Here we type a project name and choose our locations, and then press the create button, and that's all. So now we can start a new project and do some stuff with it. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and comments below if you need some help. See my other videos on Unity, and check my projects like Girl.exe. It will be shown on the Steam Festival in June, and my other projects. Thank you for watching. Bye!